थिंग एंड डिजिटल वर्ल्ड आप जानते हैं कितना अभी ट्रेंडिंग है एंड दिस इज़ अ पार्टी वी आर मीटिंग हियर एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट No, not yet because I was shooting, so I couldn't, but I will watch it. So,
What sort of expectation and excitement you're taking inside?
yeah, I'm very excited. So I think when I'll watch, then and I'll meet so many people over here. So for that, I'm very excited. Yeah.
Also, Anil Kapoor sir is hosting today.
Yeah. Oh, उनकी एनर्जी कोई मैच नहीं कर सकता. I love him like anything because हम उनकी फिल्में देख देख के बड़े हुए हैं उनकी एनर्जी को. और मैं जब भी उनसे मिलता हूँ तो उनसे डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक एनर्जी मिलती है एंड बहुत इंस्पायर करते हैं हमें हर चीज़ को लेकर. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट हिम.
So one of the key factors of the series is speed the car. Do you like speed?
या लव इट. मैं थोड़ा बहुत रैश चलाता था दिल्ली में, अब बंद कर दिया. लेकिन या आई लव ड्राइविंग एंड आई love the car.
Okay. Lastly, we are seeing Gentleman. So what's the pipeline?
Right now I'm shooting for my next film, Baghi 2. So that shoot is going.
So we, schedule has been finished first.
No, I'm still shooting. I was shooting and right now I'm coming from there only. No, it's a different role. I played, every time I played different kind of roles. I'm not, every film I'm not playing a grey character. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Andhra Ka Palace was very good, excellent. I think it's a great concept. And I think Amazon has done a phenomenal job of choosing this venue for this terrific show. Have you heard about this show, the Grand Tour? आप लोगों को पता है शो के बारे में किसी को? नहीं. It's the biggest show on planet. Biggest show. One of the most popular shows all over the world. You know anything about this show? What is it about? आप लोगों को पता है?
It's about speed.
It's about cars. And these three hosts, which you see over here. हाँ sir. आपको हाँ. They are, especially Clark and May and Richard, all three of them, they are terrific actually. तो उन लोग क्या करते हैं कि it's fun, a lot of humor, and of course people who love cars and they review cars and they travel all over the world with the cars. So that makes it very, very exciting. That's the reason it is loved all over the world. And I think, I'm sure even in India people are going to love it. Yeah.
So today you are hosting a show. So how excited are you?
No, I am a big fan of this show. So that's the reason I said, let me host this show and call all my friends over here. So that's what I have done.
Have you seen the first?
Of course, yeah. This I've seen now. You're going to see. All of you are coming inside, right? Maybe, yeah. So see, we're going to screen the first episode, and I've seen it, but the rest of the guests are going to see it, and it's fantastic. It's been shot in Switzerland.
The key factor of the second season is speed and a car. In real life, how much you like the speed and car?
See, for me, of course, everybody loves cars. As a matter of fact, when you were coming, I was coming in the car also. I said, time has come for me to buy a new car. And so, and especially in today's times, it's very, very important. That's the only way you can really travel. Of course, that's one of the main reasons. Certain people are very passionate about cars. The speed, the sound, all those kind of things. Matter of fact, I remember I was, involved in one of the, not in the Formula One, but there was a Grand Prix, all world championship. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता मतलब लोग जाते हैं क्यों? Why it has become so popular? They just freak out on the sound of the car also. So there are different passions people have. Some people have passion for comfort. Some, they would like a used Rolls Royce. Some people like small cars, sports cars. तो हर आदमी का अलग-अलग taste है.
सोनम जी 10 के बर्थडे में आने वाली है, तो उससे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
क्या आ रही है?
सोनम जी आपकी बेटी 10 के बर्थडे में आने वाली है, तो उससे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Yeah, I think we all are very excited. I am very excited, and to see anything what Raju Hirani does. See, so far, whatever films he has made, अब दिल से बनाता है फिल्म, और जो भी फिल्म मेकर दिल से काम करता है और दिल से फिल्में बनाता है, पैशनेटली फिल्म बनाता है, इतनी मेहनत करता है अपने स्क्रिप्ट पर, अपने हर चीज़ पर, हर डिपार्टमेंट पर, तो उसकी फिल्म so for me it's more about Raju Hirani, and of course Vinod Chopra and Raju Hirani together are a lethal combination. मैं उन दोनों के साथ फिल्म कर रहा हूँ अभी, and एंड मैंने भी उनके साथ काम किया है, बट आई नो हाउ हार्ड दे वर्क टू मेक अ गुड फिल्म. सो आई एम श्योर दैट फिल्म बायोपिक, इसमें Sonam has just got a very small cameo in the film, but she's part of a film where there are some good people involved, so I'm very excited. हर्ष की अभी अगली फिल्म भावेश May 25 को लग रही है, एंड अगेन आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने. उनकी मैंने 2 फिल्में देखी हैं और दोनों कमाल की थी, और मैं इतना कहूँगा कि फिल्म अच्छी होगी, और आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. मेरे ख्याल से Jan-Feb में फिल्म हम देखेंगे और May 25 को रिलीज़ होगी.
सर रिसेंटली आपने रेस 3 मूवी को भी ज्वाइन की है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे मूवी, क्योंकि हम सोच रहे हैं कि आप फादर का प्लेयर रोल कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैंने कहा मैंने मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने ये भी कहा कि मैं तो अमित जी का फादर का रोल भी करने को रेडी हूँ, तो उसमें मुझे कभी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज आई एम एन एक्टर, एंड ऑब्वियसली आई हैव साइंड नॉन डिस्क्लोजर. सो आप फिल्म देखिए और बताइए, मगर I have been part of both the race films, first and second. इसकी कहानी बिल्कुल अलग है, मगर उसमें सारे जो चीज़ें जो रेस में होती हैं वो सब चीज़ें हैं जो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए. और आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ, चाहे वो फ़न खान हो, चाहे वो शूट आउट बडाला हो, चाहे वो दिल धड़कने दो हो, चाहे वो वेलकम हो, चाहे वो नो एंट्री हो, चाहे वो 24 शो हो. आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी एक्साइटेड वॉट एवर आई डू. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड.
जैसे आपने फनी खान की बात की है, तो ऐश्वर्या के साथ बहुत टाइम बाद आ रहे वापस स्क्रीन पे, तो कैसा स्क्रीन स्पेस बॉन्डिंग रहा?
देखिए, मेरा तो हर सबके साथ अच्छा ही रहा है, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. आई वाज ग्रेट फन. मेरा कल ही काम ख़त्म हुआ मेरा ऐश्वर्या जी के साथ, और फिल्म मैंने ऑलमोस्ट कल ख़त्म की है, बस 1 आध दिन का काम रह गया. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड द फिल्म. फिल्म इज़ ओवर. फन खान फॉर मी इज़ ओवर. बाकी मुझे 1 आध 2 गाने रह गए, बाकी ख़त्म हो गई फिल्म.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you.
How excited are you for today's preview?
I'm very excited. I love cars. Actually at the start of this year I released a song called Aajana Ferrari mein, so I really love sport cars, and this is something really special, and the place that it's happening is really special, which is on a yacht, and very rarely in Bombay हम लोग को मौका मिलता है to enjoy in such a way. So I'm really excited. We're in good company. Anil sir is hosting the event, so it's pretty exciting.
So have you seen the first and
I think we're going to see it now. Is the second? Okay, it's the first season. Okay. So I don't know anything about the series, so I'm just going to be checking it out today, getting to know what the whole show is about. So I'm excited, really excited. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Very excited about the event, and अनिल कपूर जी ने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है. मैंने उनके साथ मुबारका फिल्म में काम किया है, तो very excited to be here and expected to meet a lot of friends here. मैंने सिर्फ ट्रेलर देखा है, and I love the fact that it's got such lovely cars, and I think all the boys are going to love it. और लड़कों को तो पसंद आते हैं, I think लड़कियों को भी गाड़ियाँ बहुत पसंद हैं, like we can see here, so I'm excited to be here. मुझे बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ पसंद है, I can't pick one. But I'm not like too much into fast cars. I think I like the more vintage cars. Thank you. This dress is by Demi by Gabriella, and I've made it like a little more splendid with some jewelry. So that's it. No. No, I haven't taken up on anything yet. I'm still listening to stuff. I mean, if there's something interesting, I will do it.
First of all, belated happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
And one of the key factors of the series is speed.
Yeah.
In real life, how much you love the speed?
I love speed. I don't, in life, I don't think I want to stop and think and what's happening. So I go with the flow. And I think speed is the thing that keeps you going, right? मुझे fast cars इतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, but yeah, it's like a big rush when you sit in them. I don't want to drive it, but I want to sit and enjoy.
अगर आपको कोई मौका मिले कोई एक सेलिब्रिटी फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड यू कुड चूज फॉर अ लॉन्ग ड्राइव, who would it be?
Someone who's funny, na, because then he'll entertain me while he drives. I don't know, Ranbir maybe. I think he's funny, I'm not sure.
Okay, lastly, we have seen you in Mubaraka. After
Yeah.
that, any pattern?
I'm trying to figure, मैं खुद figure कर रही हूँ कि क्या करना है, but something interesting for sure. Thank you guys. Enjoy your evening.
I'm very excited, and this is the first time I've come to this beautiful venue, so I'm really looking forward. It goes with the show completely, so I'm really looking forward to it. I have seen bits and pieces. I haven't seen the whole thing, to be honest, but I'm hoping to binge watch both the first and the second.
Anil Kapoor will be hosting this show.
Yes.
So how excited for you?
He, I think, just brings up the energy so much. If he's already walked in, I think you can feel the energy already. So he's called me here, and I'm looking forward to meeting him.
One of the key factors of this season is speed and car.
Yes.
In real life, how much you love the car?
I love driving. Unfortunately, on Mumbai roads, you can't really drive. But I love driving. I'm very passionate about driving and speed. So it's a show that I love. Thank you.
After Marzia, what's next in the pipeline?
So I unfortunately had signed on something which didn't take off. So I'm just hoping, keeping my fingers crossed on a few things in the pipeline, which hopefully Jan or Feb should take off. Thank you. Thank you.
Very, very excited because it's a very fascinating show. So excited to be here. Amazon's doing some great things. So good to be here, to be supporting this. I've seen a bit of flashes of it. It's very interesting. So definitely want to catch up on it soon. What's my favorite car? I would say a Maserati. Yeah. Racing, I don't know. I mean, I would like to believe that I would kill it at a racetrack, but I don't know. I've never really tried.
Do you love speed in a real life?
In real life, no, I don't think that we should speed on our roads in Bombay for sure, because there's so much traffic that I don't think we'd be able to. But maybe on a racetrack someday, I will definitely like to give it a go. What would I like to say about it? Just thank you that I've been accepted there in Tollywood, and I'm being appreciated, which is a very big thing for me in terms of that there's so much love and support coming from the audience there. And now soon, hopefully something good in Bollywood's gonna come up too. Thank you.